In today's video, we're going to talk about content creation, making multiple pieces of content from that one piece of content, and then how to get that scheduled out on a content calendar. So I guess you could say today's video is about content. Hey, I'm Rick Barker, host of the Music Industry Blueprint podcast, former manager of superstar Taylor Swift. And one of the things that I see a lot with artists right now is that they record a song, they get that song uploaded to Spotify, YouTube, iTunes, and then they just throw the song out there and that's all they do with it. Listen to my song. Tell me what you think about my song. What I want to share with you right now are a few things that you could do to create additional content from that one content piece. So think about this, for example. Instagram is a very visual platform. What you could do is you could take maybe the hook of the song, maybe there's a line of the song, a chorus, and you could go into a free service like Canva and you could create an image sized perfectly for Instagram with those lyrics, with those words, driving people to go hear the full song on Spotify or iTunes or YouTube. So that's one piece. You can create the visual piece of content for that. There's also ways right now that you can actually take an image and you can put video. They take an image, it turns into video. You could put some audio, so you could do that, which could also allow you to then have a little video piece. I think the platform that we use is called Waave, and we'll make sure that there's links to anything that I mentioned down at the bottom of this. So now you've got a video piece. You could also shoot like B-roll footage. You can walk around the beach, walk around your town, do whatever, having your song play underneath in the background. That gives you another visual video piece of content. Another piece of content that works out really well is the story behind the song. What was the inspiration? Where was it shot at? Maybe pictures of you in the studio. So this one song that most folks are just putting out there trying to have it bring on a life of its own, you can take all those additional pieces of content and get them out into the various platforms. Now, key for you here is to make sure that you're speaking the language of the platforms that you're posting it on. So if you're posting it on Facebook, make sure that they're getting to watch the video in Facebook. Make sure that you're not just sharing something on Instagram and then clicking, yes, share it across all my platforms. They all speak different languages. If you want to get the most out of your content, get the most out of the platform that you're posting it on. That will help you out there. So the next thing you do, and we get this question a lot, is, Rick, what is a content calendar? How do you schedule things out? You can do this on notes on your computer. You can create a Google Doc. But what you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and make a list of, let's say, today I'm going to do the chorus image on my Instagram page. I'm going to drop the behind the scenes video on Facebook. And I'm going to tweet because I want people to go see the YouTube video if you've happened to create a video, and you just kind of keep that along on your calendar. You want to post about this stuff every single day, but you don't want that to be the only thing you're posting about. So you may have a content calendar that says, okay, in the morning on Instagram, we're going to do a motivational quote. In the afternoon, we're going to do a funny video. And in the evening, we're going to do this. So that's all it is. It's just a calendar. It's like, this is the platform I want to post on. These are the hashtags specific to that platform. This is what I want to post on this platform. These are the hashtags specific. Take some time. Think about the descriptions. You know, everything's about hooking the viewer's attention. You hear me talk a lot about, if you follow me, hook, story, offer. So the hook is what gets their attention. The story is what leads them to the offer, which may be watch my video, listen to my song, enjoy my music. It's not necessarily going to be to sell in the beginning. We have different offers at different stages of the relationship. So take a piece of content, make multiple pieces of content, make sure that when you're posting it to the social platforms that you're speaking the language of that specific platform, and then schedule that thing out. Another thing, keep an eye on your analytics. See which ones are being shared a lot. See which ones are getting a lot of comments. We like to do what we call recycle your winners. Find the ones that are working. If you have ones that aren't working, try to figure out why. Maybe it's the hook. Maybe it's a story. Maybe it's the visual. Maybe you were trying to use images on a video platform when you should have been using a video. But just like all smart businesses, if something's not working, figure out why. If something is working, keep delivering that to the marketplace. I hope this video served you. If you're into stuff like this, if you like to nerd out on the whole marketing thing, right below this video, you're going to get the opportunity to get notified whenever I post. Weekly YouTube videos are coming out. If you're watching this on Facebook. We try to pop them out there as much as we can. If you're on Instagram, follow me on whatever social platform you're watching this video on. Also, if you know someone who could benefit from this, feel free to share. I encourage you to do that. Subscribe, like, follow. Also, DM me on my Instagram. Let me know what you thought of this, and I'll DM you back. All right? We'll see you over in the DMs. Appreciate you. Ciao.